Polishing of a slide. Nubby on a Dremel. Mothers. Aluminum sun polish. Stick it in here. Take this stuff and work it into the nubby. This is your cleaning compound. You always wear eye protection, okay? Here we go. I'm going to work this and this. Put it in here to begin so when it throws the shit, it doesn't throw it everywhere in your house. You'd be surprised what a little bit of polishing of a slide will do. This one was in good shape to begin with, but I could tell from looking at the metal it was catching on the far ends on both sides, so you can see that it gets black as you grind. I'm going to put on some more fresh compound. I keep a sponge there to clean my hands off again. Buzz it off. I'm going to pick up the speed now. See how I use the counter to steady the tool? With a rotary tool, it will spin out of control. I also work on a breadboard. It's wood, never damages metal. I come down here. I'll work this a little bit more. Flip it. Can't damage the slide when you do it this way. Okay, now we're going to clean it. Kind of greasy. Very important to get them clean. As you clean the product, your hands become the dirt. So you want to clean them first here a little. I use toothbrushes. Temperature a little hotter. I work it on a flat portion here. Turn the water off and take your time because there is grit on the inside of those cross cuts. You can tell how dirty it is by the filth in the suds. It's still dirty, so it's got to be continually cleaned now. It's not clean yet. When the suds are clean, when you clean it, you know it's clean. Turn up the heat a little bit more here. A little bit more. Like this. I know I didn't take off much, but I can always take off more. But you can't put it on once you take it off. In terms of this one, of course, has that Kettlewell ergo button. That's a prototype. I believe that one is 3. Prototype 3. It's a little bit more modern. It's more angular on the sides, more comfortable. It's cleaning up pretty good now. I can go ahead and give it a hot water rinse. Come to here. You always want to clean your parts longer than you think you should have to because of the residue that's on these metal components. And then I give it just a dry rub without soap just to make sure I got it clean. I'll show it to you. Give it a clean white. Like a mirror.